Talk today a little bit about overnight rentals, short-term rentals, specifically here, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, kind of the Tennessee side of the Smoky Mountains. It's interesting right now. A lot of cabins, a lot of chalets on market. In fact, we have 139 that are over $1 million on market actively for sale right now. We have 110 active over 750,000 but under $1 million, and we have 156 active between 500 and 750,000. Literally 3 to 4 times more properties on market right now than this time last year, and some of these days on market are incredible. 90 days, 100 days, 70 days. The cabins not selling like they were last year. We were selling them at $450, $500, $550 a square foot. And right now, there are some little anomalies out there that are still doing that, but for the most part, we are looking at under $400 a square foot pricing-wise. Now, good news, bad news. The bad news is, of course, they're not selling for as much. So if you're selling, you're probably not going to get quite as much. But it's all about cash flow. Investors with the higher interest rates, they can't make the cash on it month to month. And it's not the investment that it was when we had the 3% interest rates. The good news is we're still looking at like record profits for most sellers. I mean, 3 or 4 years ago, we were selling these at $200, $225, $250 a square foot. We thought that was incredible. We never thought we would see $350, $400, $450 a square foot. So is it a good time to sell your cabin? Absolutely. It's historically incredibly high. Is it as good as it was last year? No, it's not. I mean, there's no hiding that. Some other interesting information. I just saw a thing today that searches are down by almost 40% on VRBO and Airbnb. Just in general, nationwide, people are not taking as many vacations right now, but we have inflation, we have the cost of everything is going up, and people are tightening up budgets a little bit. Good news, if you're looking for a cabin, especially if you have a big chunk of money to bring down, maybe a 1031 exchange, there's some good opportunities out there. There are properties that are sitting on market for 3+ months that are going to be negotiable in price, negotiable in terms. So it's a good time to buy. Interest rates are high, but prices are coming down. And like I said, if you have some money to either buy points down or put a bigger chunk down on your investment property, you can definitely cash flow these still. If you'd like more information, always check us out on themarkmccormickteam.com. And I appreciate you watching the video. We'll see you all soon.